Look, the dominant theme at the moment, James, is low global growth and low interest rates, and that's driven a chase for yield and a big focus on income.
Okay.
And that's been the dominant theme. I don't see that going away. So we're in an environment of relatively low growth, and the important thing to understand is the way we've approached that consistently over the last 4 to 5 years is focusing on businesses that can grow under their own steam. So we've not been looking for businesses that have a high degree of cyclical leverage. We're looking for businesses that can grow under their own steam. Companies making acquisitions such as Recall and Ansell, those are the things we've been looking for in this sort of environment.
Mm-hmm. A lot of the value investors that we speak to at this stage in the market cycle continue to say that they're finding it increasingly hard to find value. How active have you been in the market, and are you still able to find value at the moment?
Look, James, if you look hard, you can still find reasonable value in some stocks. So Pact Group is a stock we've been buying recently, trades on about 11.5, 12 times, yielding 6% on prospective dividend yield. Australia's and New Zealand's leading flexible plastics packaging business. Very resilient business, very stable, predictable business, grows probably top line about 1 to 2%. But importantly, a long history of adding value to that business through mergers and acquisitions. So a strong track record of buying businesses at reasonable prices and running them a lot better and integrating them into their network. And that fits very sweetly with where we're looking to position the fund in terms of those growth opportunities. Look, James, I think M&A will be a consistent and ongoing theme in this market. As I've said before, in a low growth environment, companies are finding it harder to grow. And so one of the ways they do grow is by acquiring businesses. Particularly as a small cap manager, many of the companies we own, I think, are candidates to be taken over by larger companies. And that's whether it's an overseas company or whether it's a domestic company. We're looking for, that's an optionality that you really take into account when you buy a business. Mm-hmm. So I think it'll be an ongoing theme in the market.